Dear students of 12th standard, very pleasant morning. Once again, welcome back to the zoology class. We are discussing chapter number 3, reproductive health. Under reproductive health, today we are going to see how to detect the fetal disorders during pregnancy. Under the heading, detection of fetal disorders during early pregnancy. The various methods used to detect fetal disorders are ultrasound scanning, amniocentesis, chorionic villus sampling, and fetoscope. Now let us see one by one. What is ultrasound scanning? Ultrasound has no known risks other than mild discomfort due to pressure from the transducer on the abdomen or vagina. No radiation is used during this procedure. Ultrasonography is usually performed in the first trimester for dating, determination of the number of fetuses, and for assessment of early pregnancy complications. The next method is the amniocentesis. Amniocentesis involves taking a small sample of the amniotic fluid that surrounds the fetus to diagnose for chromosomal abnormalities. Amniocentesis is generally performed in a pregnant woman between the 15th and 20th weeks of pregnancy by inserting a long thin needle through the abdomen into the amniotic sac to withdraw a small sample of amniotic fluid. The amniotic fluid contains cells shed from the fetus. The next method is the chorionic villus sampling. Chorionic villus sampling, or CVS, is a prenatal test that involves taking a sample of the placental tissue to test for chromosomal abnormalities. The next method is the fetoscope. Fetoscope is used to monitor the fetal heart rate and other functions during late pregnancy and labor. The average fetal heartbeat is between 120 and 160 beats per minute. An abnormal fetal heart rate or pattern may mean that the fetus is not getting enough oxygen and it indicates other problems. The topic, that is the chapter number 3, reproductive health, is completed with this video. Okay, thank you.